fucking Mormon. Just want to keep it centered. I was gonna buy a bungee cord from Home Hardware here, but I decided to just tie another string and put both strings around my neck and then use an elastic band to keep tension on the bottom string, because then it gave it the perfect angle. And I tried like 5 different elastic bands, and it's a pain in the ass to get this bike in and out of my apartment. But I found the perfect elastic band. It's the one that comes on the broccoli. Button. I don't know if you can see this. I broke this. I can't get it open now, but that's fine because it keeps opening when I don't want it to. I guess I'll cross. I could go straight there, but I'm gonna go down the hill beside Staples. only using the Bluetooth IEMs just so I didn't have the wires all dangling around me with the phone around my neck, because I'm sure I get caught on all this. Yeah, so this thing only seems to pop onto my chest like that when I'm like standing, but as soon as I'm riding, it's like perfect angle. And as long as my shirt doesn't swipe on the screen, it should just stay recording. Just seem to be moving around a tiny bit. Seems fine. Oh, that wind is really nice. This was the first hill I went down when I bought this bike, and I used to think this hill was like sketchy, which is fucking hilarious because it's nothing. And now I got Tiff to go down this once. I just go as fast as I can down this because it's so fun. It is a little bit choppy down here, but it's fine. Where am I going? I'm going this way. So it's pretty amazing. Most people, when they go biking, they need a car to get to the trails, and for me, it's like a 5-minute ride. I don't know what the timestamp is on there, but I bet you it's like 5.5 minutes, 6 minutes, 6.5. I gotta remember to eat carbs, which I try to avoid basically before I go riding. So before I left, I just had a handful of chips. And the trail starts at the end of this road. A little bouncy, See, if that's because I'm pedaling. If I stop pedaling, the phone stops. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a hot one. It's like 23 degrees, feels like 26. I look both ways. You probably can't see me turning my head. This will also be a test for my Bluetooth IEMs, because basically we'll see if they'll fall out or not. I usually walk up this. It is a nice warm-up. Here we go. Okay, it's a lot greener than last time. Okay, just gonna do a screen check. Okay, should be recording still. And yes, I'm walking. This gets really steep. And there's no way I can just spike up. It's crazy how much growth there's been within 2 weeks. I think it's been like 12 days since the first time I came here. And you could see just straight through. And now you've got grown leaves everywhere. Like, look at the size of that. Like, none of this was here. See what I mean? It's just too much for me. And then it gets a little bit steeper, and then it levels off. Hey, there's a trail there. I'd never seen that before. Looks like a tree downed up there. I guess I was able to see that because the leaves aren't growing there. Okay. When I get to the top, I'll have to take a short break and get some electrolytes. I try to hydrate before I leave with a tall Gatorade bottle. I put in a 1/4 teaspoon of light salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and a teaspoon of sugar so it doesn't taste bad. And it tastes pretty good. It gives me about 500 milligram potassium, about 1,000 milligrams of sodium, and a pinch of glucose. Oh, are we still recording? Okay, I gotta turn the screen off. There's a tiny little button I have to push from a third-party app to shut it off. Otherwise, my screen just runs, drains the battery. You can almost use your bike with the brakes to climb up. Like, you put your brakes on and then you pull yourself up. I really feel it in my legs. Yeah, I tried going down this last week, and when you first come up here, you're like, oh, that's scary. And then you do it, and you're like, that was nothing. You just gotta feather your brakes and watch out for hidden rocks and stuff. I hate doing this climb, but if you like the flow sections, you have to put up with it. One day I'd like to go to like BC, where you ski lift up the hill and cruise down. See, the most I can climb is something like this, from there to there. My cardio is actually pretty good. For my weight. Okay, that's the steep stuff done. Also brought a cloth, just in case I want to wet my head and chill for a bit. Okay, I'm going to slow down now that I'm up. Screen check. Should be good. Snot rocket. A farmer taught me that. I keep pausing my music. Why am I wearing gloves? Well, I don't know. Knock on wood, I haven't crashed yet, so I don't really fall and touch the ground and such. Okay, I'm just going to adjust a little bit. Okay. Chill time. So make sure the screen's still off, okay? I'm pretty bad at resting, so I just want to go. Oh Christ, that's salty. There's 4 times as much potassium and salt in this than a Gatorade. So when you drink it, your tongue is like, oh, give me the juice. But this stuff will do really well for keeping your heart from pounding out of your chest. You'll be out on the trails, you're like an hour or 2 in, and you're like, why do I feel good? Okay, that's my break. Okay, let's go. You'll notice there's a shit ton of rocks. I go this way just to make sure I don't hit rocks. It is bumpier. Here. Okay, this part's somewhat difficult because I gotta upshift, cross the bridge, pedal up, downshift. Oh, fuck. That 4 seconds is a workout. Screen check. Oh, I can see it. Hang on. I've been moving around too much. Still recording? Yeah. Better screen off. The last thing I want to do is hit the stop recording button. Give me a good song. Fuck, I hit it again. My phone keeps swiping along my shirt. Let's take these off. I'm not a good enough rider to crash anyways. Where is it? There we go. Okay. If I just lean forward a bit, I shouldn't touch. Checking it again. It's off. Okay, good. Okay. Speed. Okay, walk time. This is a downhill section, so you never know if somebody's gonna come flying around there. And this is how you get around it. I can't stand how hard I breathe in video playback. Because you hear it and you're like, I don't breathe that hard. But I do. I do breathe that hard. I just can't hear it. Okay. I think that's horsing around.